the Income Tax Department has issued an urgent reminder. The first installment of advance tax for FY 2025-26 is due by June 15, 2025. Taxpayers whose total tax liability exceeds 10,000 Indian rupees must pay 15% by June 15, followed by 45% by September 15, 75% by December 15, and 100% by March 15. Missing the June deadline can incur interest at 1% per month under Section 234C. The GST Council is expected to exempt GST 18% on health insurance up to 5 Indian rupees lakh and life insurance premiums for senior citizens. This would lower insurance premiums for millions of families, making coverage more affordable. Nifty 50 closed at 24,718.60, down 170 points. BSE Sensex closed at 81,118.60, down 573 points. Markets declined following escalating geopolitical tensions between Israel and Iran, which sparked a surge in oil prices and a global risk-off sentiment. Air India Ahmedabad crash. Financial overview industry sources suggest the combined loss could range between $211 million and $280 million, Indian rupee 1,752 for 100 crore, covering plane replacement and compensation to families. Air India/Tata Group announced an interim payment of 1 Indian rupee crore per victim, with formal payouts governed by International Montreal Convention rule. India's iPhone exports surge 97% to US. Between March and May, Foxconn exported $3.2 billion worth of iPhones from India, with 97% destined for the US, a sharp rise from 50% the previous year. This marks India's growing role as a manufacturing hub amidst US-China tariff pressures. Escalating Israel-Iran tensions are expected to raise prices of imported nuts and dry fruits in India. Due to potential supply chain disruptions, consumers might face increased costs for almonds, pistachios, raisins, etc. Gold highlights. Gold futures on MCX hit 100,403 Indian rupees per 10G, the first time breaching 100,000 Indian rupees, driven by a weaker rupee and global safe haven demand. In Delhi, bullion crossed 101,540 Indian rupees per 10G, up 2,200 Indian rupees, amid Israel-Iran tensions, nearing record highs. Silver snapshots. Prices are firm at around Indian rupee 106,500, 107,000 per kg on MCX. Bank Bazaar reports silver at 110 Indian rupees per gram, up Indian rupee 1.10/G from yesterday. Mumbai registrations dip. Mumbai saw a 4% drop in residential property registrations in May 2025 compared to last year, 11,565 versus 12,000, though stamp duty collections rose 3% to 1,062 Indian rupees crore, suggesting larger ticket transactions still command high tax collections, though demand dynamics are shifting toward luxury segments. Rupee slides amid global pressure. The rupee weakened sharply, opening around 86.15 and closing near 86.07 to 86.12 per USD, marking its weakest level in 2 months. The slump reflects a blend of surging oil prices, geopolitical anxiety, foreign investor selling. iQOO Z10 Lite, launching June 18, budget 5G phone featuring a 6,000 mAh battery, MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a 50MP camera, and AI-enhanced photography tools. Pricing details to be announced.